Hi everyone, I'm going to be doing the nesting box opening and I'm having issues with my lighting, and you see the glare over here. I apologize. This is a medium mat that I use, which is made out of glass and it has a glare, but it's such a great surface that I'm going to continue using it and I hope to get it fixed. So anyway, I'm looking, you can see my phone over here. I'm looking at my remote camera, so let me put that out of the way. So this is the nesting box, like I said. I hope you can see it, from the Fat Quarter Shop. It was a 2018 limited edition. So I just got it today. Today is Saturday, the 14th of April. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Okay. So it says Home Sweet Nest 2018 limited edition, the nesting box, Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, box value over $120. I believe I paid about $60 or $70 for this. And on the other side, there's a 20% off Moda Bella Solids, and there's a promo code underneath, which I don't want, I shouldn't show you. So that's what that is. So let's see what's inside. This is from Roxanne, glue basted dip and dab. It looks like a glue maybe. Yep. There's an applicator wand, 100% water soluble, dries clear. So that's good to have. There is Aurifil. I think it's Aurifil. Let me find the book that, well, I guess there is no booklet. Anyway, it looks like Aurifil in a pretty blue shade. Yeah, here, Aurifil, doesn't say what the weight is, but it's always good to have thread, so that's good. Bobbin's Nest, I do have one like this, so this is a nice item to have. I do have one, which is round, and I do like to use it. Here's a reference guide of Moda. This is nice. It has just sizing, like a reference guide. So that's nice to have. This is the Clover Choco Liner. I also have this. This is in white. I really like this. I love all of the Clover notions. They really do a great job. So that's in there. Oh, look at this. I like scissors. So this is warm crochet, and this is just a beautifully ornate pair of scissors. It looks really sharp, and it's from Warm Crochet. So there you go. That's that. Here's an enamel pin of a butterfly. I love that. I've been loving pins. Enamel pins seem to be the in thing right now, and it has rose gold and enamel in the middle. This is really pretty. And here's this is the nest fabric, I think, and this is so nice. This is a bunch. This is a lot. So let me see if I can take this. Well, I don't want to take it apart because it's hard to put back. And there's a rubber band underneath. So anyway, let me see if I can get this closer. I wanted to do, this is perfect timing because I wanted to make a baby boy quilt for one of my coworkers. So I'll be using like the white portions. So this is, looks like one of this pattern, two of this crisscross pattern. I just love this fabric. Sorry, I'm not doing a very good job. There's one of that, two of the pinstriped, two of the gray and geometric, two. Seems like the more background abstract stuff. There's two. The actual floral prints, there's just one. So one of this one of this. Or I thought there would be two of that. So one, two of this one. I hope I'm in frame, and one of this one, two, There's the green, 2 green, 2 of these, 2 of these, 1 of the flower, and there's 1 of the flower, 2 of the stripes, 2 of the abstract, 1 flower, 1 of those, 2 of these, 1 with the bird, and 1 with the flower, 1 flower in the deeper blue, 2 stripes, 1 of that, 2 crisscross, 1 bird. So there you go. This is so pretty. I just love this nest fabric. So perfect timing. I'll be making a quilt for my coworker's little baby boy. Here is the Dream Nest pattern. I really like that they do the pattern this way. Oh, there's where everything is. So pattern, which I really love their patterns. They're very easy to use, so I really like that. And here is a, looks like maybe an iron-on, made with love, that you could put maybe iron on to your quilt. There you go. And this is what everything is. So Nest Layer Cake by Lella Boutique, Red Bronze Scissors by Warm Crochet, 80 weight lightweight turquoise, custom quilt label, that's a box exclusive, Blue Dip and Dab Basted by Roxanne, and bobbin nest. I guess it comes in different colors. I got the pink, which I love. It says store up to 30 bobbins in this nest. Here's a reference guide, box with exclusive, white choco liner, which I got, social butterfly enamel pin. Okay, and then let's see what else is in here. Here's the instruction on how to iron on the custom quilt label. So that goes with that. And, oh, there's the quilting templates. Wow. And the last thing is Dream Nest template set. So let's see. So that's a box exclusive, and so is the pattern. So here's the, so it has the bird, looks like the flower, and the leaf. So this is really cute. So it has the leaf, the flower, and the bird. So that's really nice. It's always nice to have templates, and it's nice and sturdy. So that's nice. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed, and I recommend anything from the Fat Quarter Shop. I've loved the Christmas box I got last year. I get the Soul Sampler box every month, and I absolutely love it. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thanks for watching. Bye.